welcome to Lesson 4 of English 1-to-1 Tutor. Learning objectives for today. By the end you should know when to incorporate action into your story. You should understand how to effectively develop an action-packed section of your story. You should be able to independently write an action-packed section of your story which engages the reader. So start as before. Find your favourite book or novel which is written in English. Copy out any full page using pen and paper. Highlight and translate any words that you do not understand. Now, if you do this daily, it will help you to greatly improve your level of written English. The plot thickens. You will continue to write your long story from the previous lesson. Your aim is to write an action-packed part to the story. So, a green light is emanating from a huge cavern. As you peek through, you see a Grinch skipping around excitedly. A Grinch is a green monster. In the near left-hand corner of the cave, you see a small cage with your friends trapped inside. They are waving their arms and quietly crying out, "Get the key and set us free." You see a rusty old key on the Grinch's dinner table in the middle of the cavern. Your tasks. You've got to decide how you will get the key without the Grinch discovering you. You see 3 things to hand that may help: a large empty box, a small stone, and a half-eaten onion. Draw a picture to help you. Right, continuing on from that. Write down 10 interesting verbs which describe your actions, e.g. sneaked, grabbed, etc. So just make a list of 10 words, 10 verbs. Finally, write an action-packed part to your story of how you rescued your friends from the Grinch. So basically continuing your story. Right, self-assessment. Reread your handwritten page from the starter activity from the novel. Again, compare the sentences to the story you have just written. How does your story compare? Focus on the use of conjunctions. Improve your story by trying to make better use of conjunctions, i.e. connecting words. And there's your list of conjunctions to try and help improve your story.